So I'll be talking about trauma to the most sensitive part of the body, that is the eye, and it is called as ocular trauma. It is a medical emergency, it has no age limits, and it can happen to anyone at any time. So we'll broadly classify it into three types, that is trauma due to a foreign body, trauma due to chemicals, or trauma due to a mechanical object. Trauma due to a foreign body can happen as an occupational hazard in welders while doing welding work, or it can happen as simple as while driving a two-wheeler without any helmet or a protective eye shield. So when you encounter such a foreign body, you do not have to rub your eyes. You have to immediately go to an eye specialist, get it checked, and the eye specialist will remove the foreign body under aseptic precautions and will prescribe you some antibiotic drops. If the foreign body left untreated, it can cause unnecessary complications like infection and may lead to severe visual loss. Second type of injury is a chemical injury, which is a true medical emergency, and it can happen because we deal with a lot of acids in our home, like toilet cleaners or surface detergents, or even while playing holy colors, or while during Diwali while firing crackers. All these are type of chemicals which are injurious to the eye. So when you encounter any such thing, do not panic. Immediately rinse your eyes with clean water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I emphasize 10 to 15 minutes at least, and then immediately show it to a doctor. If the chemical injury of a serious nature, it might require early intervention like surgeries. The third type of injury is mechanical injury, which can happen due to a blunt object like a cricket ball or a shuttle, or it can be because of a sharp object like a knife or a blade. If a blunt object can lead to immediate side effects or immediate complications like bleeding inside the eye or lens dislocation, which will require immediate attention, and it might even lead to late complications like retinal detachment. So a regular checkup is required in cases of blunt trauma. Whereas in case if it is a sharp object, three things which we do not have to do is do not press the eyeball, do not try to clean the eyeball, and do not put any kind of eye drops or ointments inside the eye. You have to do is immediately patch the eyeball, put an iPad on the eyeball, and immediately go to the doctor. Such kind of injuries are of a grave prognosis and it will require immediate attention. So in conclusion, I would like to say prevention is always better than cure. You should always take care of your eyes, use eye shields wherever required, use sunglasses wherever required, and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.